what is agentic AI? So agentic AI is, this word agentic comes from agent. Agent, an AI agent is basically AI program to coordinate other AI programs. So currently, without this agent, let's say the manual workflow working with multiple AI programs, systems would be, let's say when I am preparing a presentation for a conference or for whatever, right? First make an outline on ChatGPT or other large language model. I use Claude as well. I make an outline, then like flesh it out and ask ChatGPT, okay, make this into like what you would put on slides, right? And then I have this text. Then I manually copy it often to a Google Doc to do some tweaking, and then manually upload the Google Doc to gamma.app. Gamma.app is the app the AI app for presentations that I'm currently using. So I went from the chatbot, ChatGPT, I went to Google Drive, and then I went to the presentation software, and then I do stuff in the presentation software. So an agent would do this for me. I would, for example, dictate something, and the agent would put it in ChatGPT, make an outline, then take it, however, just copy paste or through Google Drive or whatever. Like, I don't know the exact behind the scenes and the APIs that you have to do, but basically an agent would be doing this, putting stuff from one place to another, so that then I can get the final presentation version for review, for tweaking, for whatever, right? So that would be an agent. Agent would be an AI program that would coordinate my other AI programs. So that's like very high level explanation what AI agents are. And agentic AI is basically coordination, designing workflows where you can have AI programs take care of this workflow and take your work from one place to another You can have an agent that has a human in the loop, for example, with some interface, whatever, right? These are details. I'm going to make a more detailed video how agentic AI can be used in pathology. I have seen several demos, and there's now Histofy, this company that is trying to help toxicological pathologists use AI agents.